For the querying, we'll start with a manual chat message trigger. We'll use a vector store retriever to take the query, vectorize it, go to the vector store to find the closest similarity from the embeddings, and then retrieve the added context from which the large language model can answer the question. So let's go ahead and build that. All right, so let's build the querying workflow. I'm going to start with my chat trigger. All right, so I'm going to use this to trigger the chat with my vector store. I'm going to add in my vector store, and in this case, I'm going to be retrieving it and not inserting. So I'll go ahead and retrieve it, and I'm going to choose from my list here HR policy. So I'll do that. I'll connect it here. I'll connect my embedding first. Let me go ahead and connect OpenAI embedding. All right, retrieve document, good, HR policy. And I'm going to add into here an advanced AI node, and this is my question answer chain. So I'll go ahead and add this in. So this is what I need to communicate and connect to my chat trigger. I will connect this retriever. So this is what I specify will help me to interact from my from my Q&A chain to my vector store. I need a retriever, so I'll go ahead and connect the retriever, and then I will then connect my vector store to it. All right, and then I'll then specify the model that I want to use. All right, and I'll just use the 3.5 turbo. All right, so let's take a quick look at what it's doing here. So this Q&A chain will interact with my chat trigger. So when I say chat, then it will talk with this chain here. This chain will talk to my vector store retriever, which will then go into the vector store, and then it'll look into this collection called HR policy that we've upserted from here, and then return the top four most similar, and then it will use that to answer the question. All right, so let's give it a shot. I've saved it, and now I'll go ahead and chat with it. All right, I'll just ask, what is the overtime compensation policy? Okay, so this is a nice view that shows you what it did. So the query is this. It went to the vector store, and then it's asked what is the overtime compensation policy, and it returned the top four matches, right? And these are all the matches that it's found, and then from there, it's taken that information, and then you can see the actual the details of how it got it, and then it put into the large language model call um, the results of what I gave it, and then use that to help answer the question. Right. So it's working very well.